Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video we are going to make these cute tiny stud earrings. You can see these, how tiny they are and how cute they look. And you can also use these earrings, these stud earrings as the ear post for your danglers. Here I have already made these earrings in few colorways. This is in graphite color. Then here I have made this in blue color. And this is in opal pink color. And in today's video, we are going to make these earrings in Siam color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our mini bicone earrings in Siam color. Friends, for making our mini bicone stud earring in this gorgeous Siam color, we are going to use 4 mm bicones in Siam color. Here I'm using these 11 O's. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized champagne 11 O's and 15 O's. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized champagne 15 O's. I'll be using this ear post finding of size 4 by 12 mm. Here I'll be working with Miyuki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we will start making our mini bicone stud by picking up these 4 mm bicones and bringing them down towards the end of our thread, and here tying a double knot like this. And now I'm passing through all these 4 bicones and gently pulling in the tail in between these bicones. Like this. And here I'm exiting through the 4th bicone and holding the tail here. I'm picking up one 11 champagne and passing through this first 4 mm bicone like this. Again picking up one 11 champagne into the next 4 mm bicone. Again picking up one 11 champagne into the next 4 mm bicone, and my last, that is the fourth 11 champagne, and into the fourth bicone like this. So this is the look after completing this round, and now I'm stepping up into the first 11 champagne that I added in this round. And now first of all we are going to cut the tail off. So very gently I'm cutting the tail off, and here as I'm exiting through this 11 champagne, I'm picking up one 11 champagne and one 15 champagne. So here I have picked up these 3 beads, one 15, one 11, and one 15 champagne, and into the 11 champagne like this, into the 4 mm bicone and the next 11 champagne. Again I'm picking up the same set of beads, one 15, one 11, and one 15 champagne. These 3 beads and into the 11 champagne, into the 4 mm bicone and the next 11 champagne. Again the same set of 3 beads, one 15, one 11, and one 15 champagne, back into the 11 champagne and into the fourth bicone and the fourth 11 champagne, adding the same 3 beads, one 15 champagne, one 11 champagne and one 15 champagne, like this. So this is the look after completing this round. And now I'm stepping up into the 15 and the 11 that I just added, like this. And here, as I have stepped up into the 11 champagne, I'm picking up one 15 champagne and I'm going to pass through the 11 champagne, add it to the next 11 champagne, like this. Picking up one 15 champagne and into the 11 champagne of the next set. Picking up one 15 champagne into the 11 champagne at the top of the next set, and last 15 champagne into the 11 champagne, the first one, like this, and bringing these beads together, passing through all these 8 beads, the 11 O's and the 15 O's, and closing this circle, and you can see the shape it has taken. It has become a square over here, and here I'm exiting through this 11 and now into the next 15 champagne, like this. So here I have stepped up into this 15 champagne and now I'm picking up one 15 champagne and I'm passing through this 15 champagne just opposite to the one through which I'm exiting right now, like this, back into the 15 champagne that I just added, into the 15 champagne, like this. So you can see the look from the front into the 11 champagne, now moving down through the 15 champagne into this 11 champagne, and here reaching the back side, and here we are going to attach our earpost stud. So here you can see right now I'm exiting through this 11 champagne, so I'm picking up 5 15 champagne into the next 11 champagne, again picking up 5 15 champagne into the next 11 champagne. I'm going to add the sets of these 5 15s around all the 4 bicones. So this is my third set of 5 15s, and now I'm adding my fourth set of 5 15s, like this, stepping up into the first 3 15s of the first set, exiting through the middle one, like this. And here we are going to create a net, so I'm just bringing these up, as I'm exiting through this 15 champagne. Again I'm picking up one 15 champagne, and now I'm going to pass through the middle 15 of the next set, that is the third 15, bring it up. Again picking up one 15 and into the middle 15 of the next set, picking up one 15 into the middle 15 of the next set, and 15 champagne into the middle 15 of this first set, like this. So this is our net for our ear post, and now I'm going to place my ear post into this very gently, hold it and bring the beads together here, like this. And now I'm going to pass through the 4 15s that I have added in the center first, to hold this ear post in place. I'm passing through the 4 15s that we have added in the last round, like this. Our ear post is fixed. Now here I'm exiting through this 15 champagne up into this 15. Now I'm going to pass through this outer square, the 8 15s, the second one here, the third one over here, into these two, into these two, and into this pair of 15s, the last one, like this, into the first pair of 15s. So here we have fixed our ear post, and now moving down into these two 15s, up through these two 15s, into this 15, down through these two 15s, up through the two, into the 15, down through these two 15s, and this is the last set of 15s, the fourth one, like this. And now here I'm going to tie a knot in between these two 15s, like this. One more knot, down through these two 15s, up through these two, into this 15, came down through these two 15s, and up through these 15s, and after passing through a couple of 15s, I'm cutting my thread off. So here we have completed our mini bicon stud in this gorgeous siam color. You can see how cute they look, and they are going to serve as a beautiful ear post for your danglers. So these are in siam color. Let us take a quick look over other colorways. The one in blue color, then I have this one in black color, and one more in this gorgeous opal pink color. So these are the four colorways in this cute, tiny mini bicon studs. and I'm sure you're going to enjoy making these stud earrings and wearing these standalone with your different attires and using them as ear post stud for your danglers. So friends, if you like my video, my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next video. Thank you and namaste.